What's up, guys? Kevin Bryan from Freedom Life Influencer here. We're back at you with another video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make quick sales on ClickBank today. How can you make your fastest sale on ClickBank? Okay, welcome to the channel. On this channel I basically teach you and share with you the latest strategies on how you can create a life full of freedom, fulfillment, and passion, okay, guys, and how you can create that with making money online through affiliate marketing, through drop shipping, or whatever it may be, whatever the next new thing that it may be that's legit and that's not a scam, okay? So if you like those kind of videos, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, because you do not want to miss all the videos that I'm coming out with. Constant value, constant free content. So guys, let's go ahead and get into the computer here, where I want to share with you how you can make a sale on ClickBank fast, how you can make fast sales on ClickBank like instantly or within 24 hours, okay? So first and foremost, you have to go to ClickBank. If you're not already have an account with ClickBank, you need to sign up at ClickBank.com, okay? Once you sign up at ClickBank.com, once you get to ClickBank.com, you'll create an account. Alright, once you create an account, once you hit create an account, you'll basically have to fill in your personal information, language, country. ClickBank is pretty much anywhere you can really have an account while living or being a citizen in any country, okay? So pick your country, first, last name, street address, everything, and then your email address, okay? After you do that, you'll put in your banking information, and then you're putting your account information, okay? ClickBank is a pretty legit marketplace, and you don't have any worries about that, okay? Just a quick overview on what ClickBank is. So ClickBank is just like a Walmart or a department store where you have multiple products where you can then go and buy that product, right? But the only difference is ClickBank is a marketplace for affiliate marketers. For those like myself or someone like you, if you're clicking this video, watching this video, you're interested in making money and promoting products on ClickBank to make a commission, okay? That's basically what affiliate marketing is selling or promoting someone else's product that they have made to some source of traffic, some targeted traffic, and you connect the two. When you bring that traffic, connect the traffic to the offer or product, then you make a commission off that sale, okay? That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell, okay? But the number one thing with affiliate marketing that we have to master is traffic, okay? Traffic is key. Traffic is king. Without traffic, you don't have any eyes going to your product or offer, and without eyes going to your product and offer, you do not make sales, and without making sales, you do not create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment, okay? So that's ClickBank. You put your personal information and your banking information and your account information, and boom, you're good as golden. You're all set up with ClickBank. Okay? Now, after you have your login information, you'll log into ClickBank. You put your account nickname, which is your username, and then your password. Okay? I'll go ahead and log in here to one of my ClickBank accounts. Then once you log in, you want to go to the Marketplace tab. Okay? So it'll load. Sorry for the Wi-Fi, it's a little slow today. You go to Marketplace, and then you're going to have a bunch of categories here on the left-hand side. A bunch of categories where you can choose from. Like if you like the business and investing niche, or the computers and internet niche, or cooking food, games, fiction, whatever, green products, health and fitness, whatever you like, you choose that niche or that category, and then you basically you choose a category, and then it gives you a list of items. There are 366 products that you can promote as an affiliate marketer in business and investing, okay? So basically, I like to go in here and sort by gravity. Gravity basically tells you how often is this offer converting. How many people have sold this product or have made a successful commission with this product, okay? And it looks like Hidden Gems, retired millionaire superstar, converts up to 2.97, whatever it is. I've never seen this product. It's converting very well in the business and investing niche, okay? And let's say what you want to do is you want to make sure you vet this product, right? So I like to go in here and click on the sales page link to see what the product is about. You want to make sure the product is legit. If you can, go ahead and try to purchase the product. And if the product gets you results, then you can document the results and it'd be even better. But go through the sales page, read through it. This is the actual page that if you send people to it, this is what they'll see. So you want to make sure it's a legit page and that it's not scammy or looks too like iffy. So I don't like this page. It has no content, no value other than this video here. I mean, it's probably a good detailed video, but I don't like promoting products like this. I like promoting products with a lot of detail, that has a lot of images and reviews on it, so people can, build that trust with it. So that's why it's important to go in here and vet the sales page, and that you go in here and review what's on it. Okay. So let's just say for this video purposes that we choose this product, right? In order for you to make your first sale, you have to get instant traffic, or to make a fast sale within 24 hours, you have to get instant traffic. Okay. This is our product. We have it. Now, how are we going to get traffic? What traffic source am I going to use to get this instant sales or instant leads? Okay. Keep in mind leads. Leads is important, so we'll get back to that. To get instant traffic, I use Udimi. Udimi is Udimi.com. Udimi is basically a marketplace also, where people who already have an audience or who have an audience base, they basically shoot your offer to their audience. Now they have multiple audiences for specific or particular niches. So I can go to find sellers, right? I'll find sellers within looks like they changed it. Here we go. Marketing, finance, health, mobile, social. So let's see. So this is finance. Let's say I go the business and investing niche, right? These are people who have an audience base already within the finance niche. And then basically what I'll do is I'll choose someone who has a good conversion rate. So there's 38% right here with a dollar sign next to it. It shares with you or shows you the percentage of sales that this person has produced for other people who have purchased the 45 cents per click, right? So you want to choose someone who has a good amount of sales, but also has a pretty decent or reasonable price. So 45 cents is maybe a little high for some people, but usually the higher the price, the more percent or more likely you are to get sales. Okay, so you go in here to Udimi, you find a seller, you pick the niche and the category you want your seller to be in, and then you choose. You look at each seller, see what they're about. See he has good opt-ins. I went back to the homepage. So he has good opt-ins. Most are opening the emails, and so he's okay. His good rating is 82. This one has 42. So he looks pretty cool too, and 39%. But his price is a little higher, 55 cents. So this is how you get instant and fast sales with ClickBank. You have the instant traffic, and Udimi is a good source for instant traffic. Okay. Now, I mentioned leads earlier, and Greg here, he also mentions good opt-in. So opt-in, leads, squeeze pages, funnels, all that is basically the same thing. Okay. If you want to increase your sales, or basically have your own audience, or build your own audience, which is building your own list, you want to add a squeeze page, offer page, opt-in page, whatever you want to call it, before the offer. Okay. So basically, instead of sending this traffic directly to this offer or this sales page, you want to send them to a funnel. I use ClickFunnels. I use ClickFunnels to build an opt-in page or a squeeze page in order to capture the traffic's name and capture the traffic's email address, right? And once I capture the traffic's name and email address, it goes directly to my autoresponder, which I use Aweber or GetResponse. And then that person, that lead, is mine for life. I can email them for free whenever I want to, or however I want to, and email them whatever I want to, right? So that's like easy traffic that you can capture and then send email marketing to them for free, right? So that is key in affiliate marketing. You want to have an opt-in page or some kind of squeeze in opt-in page, whatever, before the sales offer, to be able to increase your leads and increase your sales in the back end or going forward. Okay. Because the percent of people that will, once they see the sales page, they're not going to buy. To be honest with you, maybe 1 out of 100 people that sees your sales page will buy, and that's not a high conversion rate. So that you do not waste all your money, create a funnel, create an opt-in page where you capture that lead, and then later on you can keep sending them and following up with them, and then most likely they'll buy later. But guess what? You have not paid to send them or get more traffic. Okay, you already paid for that lead, and then you just basically send them more emails. Okay, so with Udimi, you get instant traffic and instant opportunity for sales, but most importantly, if you use a funnel, you'll get leads and then have free traffic later on. Okay, so guys, the links are in the description if you want to try out Udimi, as well as ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a 14-day free trial. You can try those out, take a look at them, and if you don't like them, you just cancel your trial memberships. If you do, stick with them because it's going to make you money, so it's nothing for you to lose. Okay. Also, with affiliate marketing, I have a free step-by-step guide for teaching you how to be successful at affiliate marketing. Below that will be the #1 link in the description. Check that out. It's free. It'll be a free PDF report. All you have to do is put your name, your email address in, and it'll be sent directly to your email. You can get started today with your affiliate marketing business. Okay. I hope you like this video. If you got value from it, if you got content from it, good content from it, make sure you like it. Thumbs up. Okay. Like this video. Comment below if you're using Udimi and if you're using a funnel to increase your sales. Okay, comment below. Let me know if you like this video also. And make sure you subscribe. Subscribe and hit the notification bell because, again, like I said at the beginning, I'm coming out with daily content teaching you how to create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And eventually, hopefully, quit your 9-to-5 job so you can live a life full of freedom, okay? So that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Kalen Bryant, out.